Well, I just thought I'd give my van a clean with this ultimate snow foam, and I realised in the garage I got some Patio snow foam. Oh, hang on, camera. Well, you can wash your hair with shampoo, you can wash your van with shampoo, but can you wash a Patio shampoo? Let's find out. Well, apparently you can. We've got some snow foam from Muck Off. I bought it from Amazon. It had really good ratings, actually. So I've done the van. I haven't done my hair today, but I am going to do the patio around my folks' house, which is concrete and Indian sandstone. It's starting to get a little bit mucky. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do half of this bit by here in shampoo, half of the concrete there in shampoo, and I'm just going to leave the other bit. And then I'm going to leave it on for about 10-15 minutes, do what it says, and we're going to hose it off. And let's see if it actually works. Is it as easy as pressure washing? Because if you haven't got a pressure washer, then this might actually be what you want to use. The only thing I don't like about this thing is the instructions. How bloody small are they? I had to take a photo of it and actually try and read it. Right, well, I'm going to put it on with my foam sprayer. Spray that bit, leave that bit, spray that bit, leave that bit. Right, so this is my setup. On the pressure washer, I took the extended bit off. I've got that. I put about that much in it. I think that's about right. Right, so I'm going to spray this bit. First of all, I'll turn the power on. It definitely helps if you've got the power on. Right, let's take the goggles off. Let's give it a whirl. Not the best start. Round two. Right, please don't fly off. Now leave it about 15 minutes now and see if it lifts it out. But all we have to do next is just to hose it off, apparently. But I might give her a little brush, actually, thinking of it. Right, agitated. Don't ask me to spell it, though. So it's been 10 minutes now, so I'm just going to wash off with a normal hose. If you haven't got a pressure washer, this is what you'd have to do. Oh, well, this is going to be hard to tell how clean that is up against that, so we're going to have to get this wet as well. Right, well, a bit right in front of us is the bit I done, and that's the bit I didn't do. But does it look any different? Not really. That's the concrete I cleaned, and there's a bit I didn't clean. It's exactly the same colour. So far, this snow foam is a bit on the crap side, but we'll give it another go. We'll stick some more on. And by the way, moron in Welsh is carrot. Ah. Second serving of snow foam. Will it work? I've got that funny feeling and I ain't gonna do jack diddly squat. Well, I've left it on for 15 minutes now, just to give it that little bit more saturation. And to be honest, I'm losing open it. If it don't do anything now, then just don't buy it. Just get yourself a pressure washer, much easier. It doesn't have to be a petrol pressure washer for something like this. Small DIY, small little karcher. Get yourself a little one of those spinning wheel things on it, and I'll show you how easy it is and cheaper because you haven't got to buy that stuff. All right, well, here's the answer. And look at that. Totally different. Let's have a look from another angle. You see how dirty that is and how clean that is, and that just stands out a flipping mile. So as summertime is coming up and you're going to be wanting to clean your garden and your patios, either get somebody round to do it or get yourself a pressure washer. I did say Karcher earlier. I think Karcher are crap. That Nilfisk thing there, that's friggin' awesome. But just goes to show, Patio shampoo, stick it. Shampoo for your van, yeah, maybe I think that's okay. Shampoo for your hair, well, just use soap if you want. But otherwise, that stuff junk. So this type of thing floats your boat. Come back for more. Like and subscribe. Tidy like it there. But